Hello, this is Dario, and today I'm going to show you all the features and benefits of this Range Rover Sport and all the reason why it's the perfect SUV for you. Like all our vehicles, this Range Rover Sport has undergone 128 points inspection by AA. It's covered by 3 months of warranty, which can be extended here at the dealership up to 3 years. For the first year, you also get roadside assistance with a single call-out, but if you prefer to have unlimited call-outs, please let us know. The paint of the vehicle is also protected by a triple-layer Gardex Nano Coat paint, which means the lovely Fuji white that this vehicle is painted on will be protected from rain, acidity, and everything else. This specific exemplar is in a HSE trim with the SV dark exterior package, which includes, as you can see, glossy black finish all over the trims, over the grille, of the fog lights and of the lights themselves, which are LEDs and xenon with the signature Land Rover daytime running lights. Moving to the sides, you can see the rest of the SV dark package, which includes the trim over the bonnet and on the wing, the glossy black finish over the aluminum alloys, the electric power fold mirror in glossy black, and also the mud flaps. Over here you can see the fuel cap for the diesel. And moving at the back, you can see the rest of the dark finish over the trims. You may notice on the bumper parking sensors. You have them also at the front, but there also are some parking sensors on the skirts, which means you have a 360 degrees parking sensor array. Over here, you also get a rear view camera, and the tail is electrically powered. Which opens onto the boot. Going to the left, you see the rest of the vehicle, and you can see again the lovely alloys and the lovely paint in all its glory. Let's take a better look at the boot now. Here is the boot, quite a big one, befitting of a vehicle of this size. It's all carpet lined. Sizes-wise, it's roughly 94 centimeters of depth, 47 centimeters of height at the parcel shelf, and 110 meters at the wheel arches. In liters, this boot is roughly 687. And as I mentioned, it has an electric tailgate. I think it's time to see the cabin now. Once you open the door, which is also keyless, you notice on the door cards the woofer and the tweeter by the Meridian sound system and the cappuccino cream leather finish. Over here on the door handle, you also see the memory settings for the electric seats and the power fold mirror settings and all 4 windows settings. As I mentioned, the seats are electric and they're finished with the ebony leather, which is also perforated. Both the driver and the passenger seats are fully adjustable electrically with 3 memory settings. You may also notice the illuminated tread plates here at the bottom and the illuminated footwell. Getting into the vehicle, you see even more of the cappuccino dashboard. The glove box over here is electrical, openable with a push of a button. You also see it's illuminated. You can also see the infotainment screen already being illuminated and the fully digital dashboard. Once you turn on the dashboard, being a digital screen, you can customize it however you want through this setting dial on the left of the steering wheel. Then at the right, you get the cruise control. Just behind the steering wheel, you get paddle shifters, light stalk, and wiper stalk. Just underneath, you get controls for lane keeping assist, boot, and illumination of the dashboard screen. And just over here on the steering column, you got a little knob to adjust the steering wheel itself. Going over to the infotainment screen, this one is fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the cable, and it's also fitted with an HDMI input port, which is located in the central console over there, where you can connect anything ranging from a PlayStation to a DVD player. You also get an eSIM reader, so you get connected navigation opportunities through the infotainment system itself. Underneath, you can see all the AC controls and the heated seats control, both for the driver and the front passenger. Obviously, you get also the gear selector, the terrain mode selector, and more controls for start and stop function, limiter, traction control, and all the setting for the suspensions. Let's take a look at the rear of the cabin instead. On the rear, you get the same kind of luxury and comfort, and you also get heated seats for the whole bench, some netting on the back side of the front seats as well, one more woofer and one more speaker for the Meridian sound system, and the subwoofer is localized underneath the driver's seat. That's it. Here's the Range Rover Sport HSE, and all the reason why it's the perfect SUV for you. Feel free to call us for any inquiries regarding this vehicle.